Mi Dual Driver or 1More Piston Fit. Which one is for you? Well, in today's video we are going to compare these earphones and let's see which one is the best. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, I hope you all are safe inside your home and supporting each other in this time of need. I want everyone to be safe, so please comment safe in all caps in the comment section so we all will feel a little better. And in case you need any kind of help, please comment down below and we all can try to help each other out. After all, we all are family. Army I will. So recently I posted the video about the Xiaomi's Mi Dual Driver earphones, and a lot of you guys asked for this comparison, that is between the Mi Dual Driver and the 1More Piston Fit. So here we are today. We are going to compare all the different aspects like design, comfort, features, sound quality, etc. But before getting into the details, let's unbox these earphones and see what they come within the box. So these are the retail packages of the Mi Dual Driver and the 1More Piston Fit. Nothing fancy here. Let's open these boxes, and inside we have the earphones, some extra ear tips and user manuals for nerds. And that was a quick unboxing of these earphones. What do you expect to come out of these boxes? Moving on to the design. Design-wise, both of these earphones are well-designed earphones. 1More Piston Fit has this silver textured metal design, and you can also pick this up in black, blue and pink color as well. They have all these parts like the earbuds. The 3.5mm jack, which is a 90-degree jack by the way, is made out of metal, which makes it very sturdy. On the other hand, we can see metal earbud design on the Mi Dual Driver with this carbon fiber texture on the back. You cannot touch and feel this texture because there is a thin layer of plastic. Just like the 1More, we also get a 90-degree jack on the Mi as well, but this one is not in metal. Now you can have this in two color options, which are black and blue. I like the blue one. One thing I also want to mention is that we have tangle-free cables on both of these earphones. But what's different though is the braided cable on the Xiaomi, which I like the most. The braided cable should be a standard by now. So overall, in terms of design, look and feel, I like the Xiaomi Dual Driver more. It seems like more of today's earphone, and it even feels way more robust. That doesn't mean 1More is poorly built. It has come a long way. I'm using it from the last year and it is still working. But recently I've been rocking the Mi Dual Driver, but it's totally up to you which one you like more. Both are a substantial built piece of audio gears. Comfort and fit. Now this is an essential thing to look for when buying any of the earphones or headphones, sometimes more important than the sound quality. But if you bought a best sounding earphones which bleed your ears. So comfort wise, both of these earphones are great, but I found the 1More to be a little more comfortable and soft than the Mi. The texture of the silicone ear tips on the 1More feels a little more premium, but fitting wise we have opposite image. Here Xiaomi is better. It stays more secure in the ears than the 1More. Now I'm not saying any of them is perfect or worst in any of these qualities, but if you use them side by side you will find a difference. Features. As these are just earphones, not a true wireless earphones, so we don't have any kind of fancy feature going on. A fancy feature you will find on the Mi Dual Driver is the magnetic earbuds, and an interesting detail could be seen on these earphones, which is the back of these earphones have concave on one side and convex on the other side. So whenever you connect the earphones, it aligns perfectly. Nice detail there. Now one of the must feature missing from both of these earphones is the IPX rating. None of them have any water rating, so we have to be a little more careful with water. Now we do get inline buttons on both of these earphones, but on the 1More Piston Fit you will get one button for the play, pause and taking calls, whereas on the Mi you will get additional volume control keys, so you can do everything from there. And one more thing, the buttons are more tactile on the Mi than the 1More. But now, as mentioned, you can also take calls from both of these earphones. So here is the mic quality test, so you can have a better feel of what this sounds like. So this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the 1More Piston Fit, and this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Mi Dual Driver. Sound quality. Now here comes the crucial part when picking up any audio device, which is the sound quality itself. So both earphones have some different attributes. Let's talk about the 1More Piston Fit. first. So on the Piston Fit, we have 10mm of driver which produces very balanced sound, which means you will not feel any frequency range to be excessive. Everything is balanced out and overall they are very clear sounding earphones when compared to the Mi Dual Driver. So if you want to listen to acoustic songs or you like to listen to high frequencies or any of the genre that requires more clarity, then you will definitely love the 1More Piston Fit. Now on the Mi Dual Driver, we have dual drivers. One is 10mm of driver and the second one is 8mm. Now you might be asking what is the advantage of dual driver is. So what happens is one driver has a job of producing mostly bass frequencies, which is the 10mm driver, and the 8mm driver will produce mostly high frequencies. As a result, we will get better and fuller sound. And in reality, you do get immersive sound. The frequency response from this is excellent, and especially the low frequencies, sub and 808 are very good on these earphones, and they are even a hair louder than the 1More Piston Fit. But one advantage that 1More has is more clarity than the Mi Dual Driver. When you compare them side by side, you will find 1More to be a much more clearer sounding earphones. But again, it is lacking in bass frequencies. So to summarize this, both of these earphones are great if you're looking for a well balanced sounding earphones without any excessive bass, like for acoustic songs, then 1More Piston Fit is for you. But if you want to jam on those heavy bass songs, or generally you like to listen to bass like hip hop or trap, then you should go with the Mi Dual Driver. Price. But now coming down to the price, both earphones are available for 799 rupees on Amazon, which you can check out from the links down below in the description. And if you are buying the 1More Piston Fit, then you can also buy it from the 1More website, as they are selling this for 699 rupees there. But that was my comparison of the Mi Dual Driver and the 1More Piston Fit. Which one you like the most? Please comment down below. Or is there any other earphones that you like the most that I should check? Then you can also comment that down below. But that was today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.